Hello guys, welcome back again. We are going to learn today on how to prepare day work schedule. My name is Christine. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment at the end of the video, and remember to watch until the end so that you can get the concept. So before we prepare the day work schedule, we are going to start by defining what is a day work schedule. This is a day work schedule that is prepared and priced by contractor in respect to works included in the schedule. So there are some works that are not in the BQ, they are in the schedule. So when the contractor wants to prepare, you prepare a day work schedule to cater for those works. It is used to pay the contractors for specifically instructed works on the basis of the cost of labor, material, plant, which includes overheads and profits. So these day work schedules, they have components like labor, material, plant, and also they have an overhead and a profit. So we are going to see on the table that we are given so that we can be able to prepare our day work schedule. So we have this information that we are given. We have the working hours observed 45. We have the profit and overheads 20%, number of hours worked by the carpenter, number of hours worked by the plumber, number of hours worked by the mason 20 hours, number of hours worked by the laborers, all in higher rates for 7-ton rolly per day. And then we have work hours by the rolly, that is 22 hours. We have higher rates for the damper in a day, that is 8,000. And then we have hours worked by the damper, which is 22 hours. So with this information, we are going to see on how we can prepare a day work schedule. Remember, you've been told to use the standard format, so just stay there. Now guys, since we have the information that we need, let's proceed and prepare the day work schedule. There are assumptions that we have not been given, so we are going to make assumption. Like here you can see skilled labor wages per hour, we are assuming to be 100, and skilled labor wages per hour 50 shillings. Cost of material required, we are not given that one, we are assuming to be 70,000. Work hours worked in a day, we are assuming to be 8 hours. So that's information that we are not given. For us to be able to prepare the schedule, we must make some assumptions. So let's start by labor. From the information, we have a carpenter, we have the plumber, and we have the mason, and we have the laborers. So a carpenter is skilled, the plumber is skilled, and the mason is skilled. So for a carpenter, from the table, we are told he works for 25 hours at 100. That is what we've assumed. That gives us 2,500. A plumber works for 20 hours at 100. That gives us 2,000 shillings. A mason works for 40 hours at 100. That gives us 4,000 shillings. Laborers, we are told there are three numbers. They are working for 40 hours at 50 bob. Those are unskilled, so they are working at 50 bob for 3 hours. So for one hour, three of them 40 hours, that is 60,000. So the total for the laborer, for the labor, 2,500 plus 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000 gives us 14,500. And then we add 20% profit and overhead to that cost because we are expecting to get some profit. So 20% of 14,500 gives us 2,900 shillings. So the total will become 17,400. That is only for labor. So let's go to materials. We were not given the materials for us to be able to prepare the day work schedule, and that's why we've assumed 70,000 materials. So we are providing a sum of 70,000 for materials. Again, at this sum, let's add 20% profit and overhead. So 20% of 70,000 is 14,000. So that gives us a total sum of 84,000 shillings and 0 cents for the materials. What is left now is the plant. We are hiring some plant here. We are told we hire 7 ton lorry per day at 200,000, and we hire a dumper at 80 sorry at 8k. So for that lorry, it is going to work for 22 hours. All these plants that we are hiring, they are working for 22 hours. So the cost in 22 hours will be the cost of hiring that lorry in a day, divided by 8. This is the number of hours for us to be able to get how much is it being hired for in 1 hour. So 20,000 divided by 8, this one will give us the cost in 1 hour. We multiply by 22 hours to get the cost in 22 hours. So for 22 hours, that lorry will cost 55,000 shillings and 0 cents. And then we are hiring a dumping for a day at 8,000. That is for a day, and remember our day we have 8 working hours. So 8,000 divided by 8 will give us the cost of the dumper in 1 hour. Remember it's working for 22 hours, so it's 1,000 times 22, which gives us 22,000. So the total of the hiring of the plant will be 55,000 plus 22,000. That one gives us 77,000. And then we add 20% profit and overheads. 20% of the 77,000 is 15,400. That gives us a total of 92,400. So now we find the total of the labor, material, and plant to carry to the day work schedule summary. For the labor, we add 17,400. So we add 17,400 plus, for the material was 84,000, so it's 17,400 plus 84,000, plus for the plant it's 92. For the plant is 92,400. That gives us a total of 193,800 shillings and 0 cents. So this is what we are to carry to the summary. So that is how you prepare a day work schedule. Remember, you are told to use a standard format, and that is the standard format. So if you are a student, you are able to carry home your 10 marks with no stress. So kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and stay tuned as we wait for the next video. Thank you.